generally speaking, a customer can download and install our software internally in less than an hour. 10 minutes, 15 minutes to download it. If it's Windows, you just run the Windows installer, and literally you're installed and running in less than 1 hour. And then you need to just put in some licenses for monitoring, and that might take a few more minutes. So very, very quick. We do a couple upgrades a year, and if you want to do the upgrade, version upgrades, it takes less than 15 minutes. Download the upgrade, run the installer, and it's done. It's really, really simple. It has built-in backups and everything included with that. The tool overall is very easy to use. It's very intuitive. I'll show you that in a minute. It does have built-in online help. And up on our website, TeamEDA.com, we have a tab called Resources. If you look at that, you'll see hundreds of documents up there related to using this product or setting up different license types for monitoring. There's video tutorials up there. There's a whole library of stuff. TeamEDA does also offer on-site implementation services. Generally, it's a 2-day package. We will come in on-site and help you get everything set up, do initial audit of your current process, teach you what best practices looks like, user training, help you with getting your licenses all entered properly, setting up alerts, batch reports, and help you get some dashboards created. That's optional. Most of our customers just do it on their own because it is pretty intuitive. But if you really want to know how to do it right from the beginning, you might want to consider this on-site implementation package. And then lastly, responsive customer support. Generally, you type support@teameda.com and somebody's back with you within a half an hour. So we're very proud of our support.